Is it too late to stack silver at $42 an ounce? Everyone's deciding whether to buy now or wait. And I'm telling you, $42 may actually be the entry point for this metal rather than the peak. Look, back in 1980, when this metal hit $50 an ounce with that massive run-up, when you adjust for inflation, that same $50 would equal over $180 an ounce today. So we can't compare us moving toward 50, which we are. We're moving to 50, but it's not the same as silver's peak. It would need to quadruple from its current level just to match that historic high in real terms. Even though $42 an ounce feels quite expensive compared to the low 20s that we had just a few years ago, historically, this market remains far from overextended. Silver is both a precious metal and an industrial metal. That's what differs it from gold. It's used in solar, electric vehicles, AI, countless electronics. Industrial demand is surging to record highs for this metal. But on the contrary, global mine production has stayed flat. It's even actually declined in 2025. We've got two countries, Mexico and Peru. That's where we get our silver from, Mexico and Peru. And they're responsible for a significant portion for all of the supply. So any production slowdown in those regions has an immediate impact on the global silver market, not just here in the States. I mean, it's everywhere. And it's that imbalance between the rising demand for this metal, for all that industry, the tightening supply, that's what places such a steady upward pressure on the price of this. And that's what's going to move silver way past 50, past 60. Really, I mean, wrap your head around that. $180. That's what it would be adjusted for inflation per ounce. And we have our eyes wide because it's presently $42 an ounce. This is what's going to happen. First, premiums are going to remain elevated even when the spot price dips. That's what happens. So total cost may not decrease that much. And the other part that stackers are forgetting is when momentum builds, local coin shops, they could sell out quick. Look, just a few years ago when we had that squeeze, coin shops couldn't handle it. They're not ready for it. And the same is coming our way. The smart way to go is to stack consistently. That's a smart thing to do. Even if it's 1 ounce a week, a month, it's dollar cost averaging is what you're doing. And it smooths out those price swings. It gradually builds a solid stack like you're seeing here on your screen without all that stress. That's how silver as a safe store of wealth works in our favor. And this is why I diversify my investments. I want to thank Sendero Resources for sponsoring today's video. Their ticker's on your screen. It's TSXV SEND. It's TSXV SEND. Let me tell you about a company I'm super excited about, Sendero Resources. They're in Argentina. They're right in the middle of one of the hottest mining districts in the world, the same neighborhood where billion-dollar discoveries have already been made. Here's why that matters. Big mining companies have already spent millions exploring that region, and they've proved there's serious potential in the ground. Sendero came in after all that money had already been spent. That means they get to start at a huge discount with the groundwork already done. Sendero is in a unique opportunity because they're getting into a proven area at a very low cost in a mining-friendly province that really supports projects like this. The province actually welcomes mining. It's not fighting it. Sendero's team isn't new to this game. These guys know mining and they know money, and the stock is still tiny compared to the companies next door. If they hit on something big, the upside could be massive. That's the part I'm so excited about. Sendero has everything put in place to be the next big player, proven region, support from the government, experienced leadership, and a rock-bottom valuation. You've got a small company with a shot at a big payoff. If you like getting in early, before the crowd shows up, Sendero Resources is one to keep on your radar. Check out Sendero Resources. There's a link down below. Their ticker's on your screen. It's TSXV SEND. TSXV SEND. Check them out, and I'll see you on the next one.